am so excited. Yes, I've been waiting my whole life for this. I've been waiting my whole life. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Chrissy. Christina with a K. Hey, Christina with a K. Hey, 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 hey. Welcome, welcome, welcome. If you're here for the first time, thank you so much for tuning in. If you're back, hey girl, how you feeling? Why are we here? Why are we here? Why are we here? Can we watch? Can we watch this wonderfulness? This wonderfulness. I have Neesha wig. Yes, I got Neesha 201, and I have all the other ones coming for you as well. But today we are going to be talking about 201. 201, baby. I have her in this color, followed by the 1B. But let's just go ahead and put it on and talk about this after.
This is something new. The Casper Slide Part 2, featuring the Platinum Band, and this time we're gonna get funky, get funky, get funky. Everybody clap your hands. Get funky, get funky, get funky. Everybody clap your hands. Get funky, funky, funky. Everybody clap your hands. Funky, funky, funky. Everybody clap your hands. Left foot, let's take it back, that dog. Right foot, let's take it back, that dog. Left foot, let's take it back, that dog. Right foot, let's take it back, that dog. Left foot, let's take it back, that dog. Right foot, let's take it back, that dog. Left foot, let's take it back, that dog. Right foot, let's go to work. One how get funky with funky. One how get funky with funky. One how get funky with funky. One funky, funky. One how gets time. Funky. One how gets time. Funky. One how gets time. Funky. Cha-cha real smooth. Now it's time to get funky. Take it back, that dog. Take it back, that dog. Take it back, that dog. Come on, take it back, that dog. Get funky with left foot. Let's take it back, that dog. Right foot. Let's take it back, that dog. Left foot. Let's take it back, that dog. Right foot. Let's take it back, that dog. Left foot. Let's take it back, that dog. Right foot. Let's take it back, that dog. Left foot. Let's take it back, that dog. Right foot. Let's go to work. One how get funky with funky. One how get funky with funky. One how get funky with funky. One funky, funky. One how gets time. Funky. One how gets time. Funky. One how gets time. Funky. Cha-cha real smooth.
All right, my friends, we are back, and yes, 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 there is a God. We have the Neesha 201 wig. I got my hands on Neesha. Neesha. N to the E to the E to the S to the Neesha. I think I pretty much bought out the last set of wigs in the universe, because right now they are sold out. But y'all, yes, honey, this wig is pretty much the most, I don't know if this is like the most popular launch of 2019, but y'all, Outre, y'all did it. Right now, this wig is pretty much sold out everywhere. I've just recently checked it as I'm doing this review, and yes, she's still sold out, but luckily I was able to get my hand on these Neesha wigs. Yes, honey. So I have the Neesha 201 in the color DRFF2 Cinnamon Spice. She is giving me spice. She is giving me life. She is giving me all kind of things going on over here. Outre, can I say that y'all did it? First of all, this is another natural wig. It says this is a revamp of the Neesha from back in the day. About a couple years ago, they launched that Neesha that was big, long, and thick. This one is a revamp. They have a 201, 202, and 203. This is the 201. I have some 202s and 203s, but we gonna get into that another wig review. Let's focus on 201, baby. All right, so that's her social security number, because she don't have a real name. She just Neesha. I think they're triplets. So this is the one. You know how you label the babies A, B, C, D. This is one. This is baby number 1. 201, baby. Yes. Okay, so Outre, this is a soft and natural wig, and when I say When I say soft, soft, I thought them other natural wigs were soft, but yes, this feels so amazing. It really feels like I have a blowout. It has that lace parting in the middle, so there's no other parting in between here, but this is perfect. I mean, you don't have to worry too much about like customizing a lace and doing all of that. You literally just cut that lace off in the front, put it on your head, and go. I do like how soft she feels. She doesn't feel like those other natural wigs that I've been reviewing recently. Actually, some lines I'm noticing that is feeling more like the Kanekalon hard braiding hair versus like the softer maybe Kanekalon hair. I don't know, but this definitely not feel like braiding hair. It feels amazing. Feels like my hair if I just blew her out. Like, look at that. Look how she is flowing, y'all. Do y'all see that? Outre did it. Outre did it when this Neesha 201. I am really impressed. This cinnamon, it's a DRFF2. So this is your face framing part right here, and she is framing all kind of places in my heart. She is framing everything. So this is what she looks like from the front, the side, and the back. Okay, so this wig is not too long, ladies. It's your perfect everyday wig. It's your perfect get this. Y'all know how I feel. Y'all know how I feel about my wigs. I like to put them on and go. Yes, this is your put on and go wig. This wig feels amazing, y'all. Oh my goodness. It does not. I also got a 1B coming for y'all, and let's just go ahead and see what that 1B is looking like. I am so excited. Yes, I've been waiting my whole life for this. I've been waiting my whole life. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you. Yes. Merry Christmas to me. Let's go ahead and jump into that 1B. All right, my friends, so I'm back, and this is the 1B in the same style Neesha. I am really loving the fact that these this hair, it's like, look at it, it's like a nice bump to her. Okay, she really is mimicking a fresh blowout, y'all. Like, this wig is really what they're saying. It's definitely a nice soft texture. The lace is soft. She is saying she has that pre-plucked hairline. If you want to put her up, you could probably shift her. Did I just discover something? Did I just discover something? You can shift her. Look at that. Look at that. Look. Neesha, you have my heart and soul. You have everything going on over here. Neesha, you just took everything. You took everything. So yes, you can shift her and you can get that little look like that. I mean, you can do so much with her, but I think I'm gonna put her back in the middle. I do like the way these this nice little bump is like this. Yeah, but she definitely is a winner, y'all. She's really, really beautiful. She's definitely that beginner friendly wig. She's that natural wig. If you're looking for a natural texture and you don't like that you don't like that silky, straight, bone straight texture, she is your blowout wig, y'all. Okay, tell me what y'all think about these wigs. Let's talk about Miss Neesha in the comments. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you guys so much for rocking with me, and I'll talk to y'all next time. Bye.